Lighting Resources is one of the nation's largest and most established lamp recyclers in business for 20 years. We recycle fluorescent lamps, thermostats, and other mercury-containing devices. We also recycle and process batteries and PCB and non-PCB ballasts. Lighting Resources operates facilities in California, Indiana, Florida, Arizona, and Texas. In addition to our Arizona facility being the largest PCB ballast processor in the country, our Texas and Florida facilities are now using the state-of-the-art machines featured in this video to recycle lamps and mercury products. These machines will soon also be coming to our California and Indiana facilities. Whether it's a box, pallet, or truckload, our facilities are equipped to handle your recycling needs. To safely recycle mercury lamps, operators place straight lamps on the feed belt where they are pulled into the breaker. There's a secondary feed over the breaker used to recycle broken lamps. After the lamps are broken into small pieces, they are fed into the spiral, the black rubber device you see in the video. As the particles vibrate up the spiral, the phosphorus powder that contains the mercury is shaken loose. From here, the broken lamps are fed into two rumblers that slowly spin the pieces down a slight incline. The loose powder is vacuumed off and fed into the powder collectors and carbon filters. Next, the particles are fed into a second spiral we call the clean spiral to shake loose any remaining powder. A very unique feature of our equipment is the multi-purpose feed. Unlike other processes that require HID and other lamps to be broken by hand, the multi-purpose feed is capable of processing almost all types of lamps, including CFLs, HIDs, and U-tubes. With our multi-purpose feed, the lamps are placed in a drum and then automatically tipped into a separate breaker and multi-purpose rumbler. The multi-purpose rumbler is hydraulically lifted to ensure all particles are processed. After particles pass through the multi-purpose rumbler, they are fed into the first spiral and then into the two primary rumblers shown earlier. The byproducts produced are aluminum end caps and extremely clean glass that is more readily recycled by glass companies. End caps from various lamps processed by the multi-purpose unit are collected separately. The powder is recycled in our retort machine to produce elemental mercury and clean phosphorus powder. As you can see by the pipes overhead, every part of the process is under negative air pressure, with all the powder from each piece of equipment vacuumed over to two powder collection units. After the powder is collected, the air is then fed through two carbon filters. We constantly monitor the air quality in the room with sophisticated equipment. This amazing system maintains air quality at a level where the only personal protective equipment required is a dust mask. In addition to our state-of-the-art processing equipment, we also have available extensive staging areas and warehouse space to ensure we provide you the very best customer service possible.